Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the CTEK CS Free to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product: adaptive booster to power up flat batteries and portable battery charger to charge your vehicle battery wherever you are. Say goodbye to jump cables. CS Free powers up your flat battery safely within minutes, without risk of damaging your battery or vehicle electronics. Going off-grid? Charge and maintain any 12-volt lead-acid or lithium battery anywhere with solar or service battery power using CS-free optional accessories. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CTEK CS Free battery clamps, fast charging adapter, Type-C cable, user manual. How to use. First, connect the DC clamp cable to the charge output port on the CS, the red clamp to your battery's positive terminal, and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Switch the unit on and watch the main display. When the unit's switched on, all the LEDs will pulse a couple of times, followed by a single scroll around the dial. If the number 2 and number 8 LEDs are red, that could mean that your vehicle battery is faulty or that its voltage is higher than 15 volts. If everything is okay, the CS Adaptive Boost function will automatically check the state of your battery and work out the right amount of power it needs to get you started. While it's doing this, the Start LED will pulse continuously until your battery has enough power to start, and then it will stay lit up when everything is ready. This will take up to about 15 minutes. Then just disconnect it all, start the vehicle, and away you go. How to recharge. First, plug one end of the USB-C to USB-C cable into the PD charger and the other end into your CS. Then you just press and hold the on button until it lights up and leave the unit to charge, which it will do in about 1 hour. Alternatively, you can also charge the CS using a range of different optional CTEK accessories, whichever way you charge the CS Free. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.